In this video, I will show you how to avoid common mistakes with prepositions in IELTS Academic Rating Task 1. Welcome back to my channel. This is Dory. I'm a teacher of English, and in today's video I will show you how to use correctly prepositions in Academic Rating Task 1. So let's go and have a look at the examples. Example number 1. The amount of money spent on technology increased compared to 1999. We say to spend on something, and we also have compared to something. Let's go to the next example. Example number 2. Cosmetics accounted for a lower percentage of expenditure in 2004 in comparison with 2005. Now we've got account for something, but in comparison with something, not compared to something as we had in the first example. Example number 3. The charts show the amount of money spent by women in Ireland on different types of clothes. So as you can see, we've got spent by someone on something. In 2002, mobile phones became the most popular choice in terms of the sum of expenses. The amount of money spent on motorbikes peaked at 38% in 2008. So as you can see, after the verb peak, the preposition that follows is at. There was a rise in spending on fruit and vegetables. So as you can see, there was a rise in something. And last example, the percentage of entertainment fell slightly from 49% to 47%. Don't forget, if you want to compare two percentages together or two values together, you have to use from this one to the next one. So these are some common structures and some common mistakes on prepositions, and I hope this helped you to sort out some misconceptions you might have had. So that's it for today. I hope it helped you. If it did, please do like and subscribe, and do check out the description box below for some links to my other social media, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and also to my website where you can find lots of free IELTS tips. And check out the description box below for my #1 recommendation for an online course, self-study course that many of my followers had great success with. Until next time, thank you very much for watching, and good luck with your exam.